Hello everybody, FAFO Weekend Adventures here, and we're going to install the stop eliminator. This is what it looks like. For the users asking, when you see my video on the battery disconnect auxiliary, why does my start stop keep still working? You have to buy the start stop eliminator. I'm going to show you how to install this. This is going to be a quick install. What you need to do is, like it says here, locate the gateway module underneath the dash. Okay, so when you look under here, hopefully you can see. You see the OBD2? You're gonna see these bunch of plugs here. Where are they at? I'm trying to get the camera to focus. These plugs here, these are not it. These gray ones are not it. Look up higher in here. Let's see if you can see what I see. Alright, you see those? The sun's on the way. Hold on. Alright, you see those two plugs there? Not these on here next to the OBD2 sensor. The ones up here. Those are the ones you want to unplug, but you want to unplug the big one. So it sounds on the paperwork. Disconnect the big one, and then you're going to plug that in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand and the sun, but let me go ahead and unplug the big one. And then I'll show you the big one when you unplug it. What you're gonna do is alright, got it out. It's the worst thing ever. It took me about half an hour. You press this tab in. Where's the tab at? On the back side. Right here. You press this little tab in, and you gotta pull it straight out. What I did was I just grabbed the whole cable and pulled it, because I was trying to grab onto the little lip here. It wasn't working. I was afraid of pulling a wire. So just grab where the tape is. Once you get the tab pulled in with your hand and pull it straight out. It was the easiest thing to do. But like I said, it took me half an hour because I was trying to be fucking delicate and not break it. So now what you do is you come here to the eliminator. You find the connector that will go on this end, which is this side here. But before I connect it, I'm gonna go ahead and plug the part in. So you just go right back in reverse. Here's the little tab. So it's gonna go right back in this way, and then you connect the other end into the one you pulled out. So let me go ahead in here and connect this. Alright, so I plugged it back in, and I didn't even zip tie it because you can't see where it's at. But as you can see, it automatically memorizes where you left off. Shut it off. Turn it back on. And you can see it turns back on by itself. So memorize this to keep it off, so you don't have to worry about it. Turn it off. Turn it back on. It comes back on. That's it. Simple step. Hard to get into though. I don't know what people are saying it's easy. It's not easy. It's hard. But there you have it. Start stop eliminator.